All right, so we're going to do this using an online calculator. Like I said, if you've got a graphing calculator, you may have already figured out how to do it. But we can just go to the Riemann sum calculator for a function. So it's at emathhelp.net. And I just went ahead and typed in Riemann sum calculator. This one at emathhelp.net is extremely friendly. Okay, so we're going to do the one that we just did. And I want to enter a function. So first of all, notice that the little things here in the like the parallelogram that's light blue, those are the buttons that you're going to push. Okay, so my function, what was my function on the last one? It was 4x. Okay, my lower limit was 0 and my upper limit was 2 because I was going between 0 and 2. So it sounds like it should be like a left limit to a right limit, but they say lower because 0 is lower than 2. All right, so your lower limit, your upper limit are 0 and 2. I want the number of rectangles, which was 4, and then it told me to use left rectangle, or to do the left endpoints. You could do the right endpoints. You could do a midpoint or a trapezoidal. We're just going to stick with left. Okay, scroll down here. Do not click the green thing. No, no. And if I calculate it, it's going to think for a second. And then we're going to come on down here, and it is going to, when we get to the bottom, it's going to tell you that your answer was 6. Okay, so this is what I already did for you, where we figured out, you know, what the base was and what the height was of each rectangle, and then we just add them all together. Okay, so we're going to try it one more time, and let's do it with a quadratic. So if I have x squared, and I want to go between 3 and 5, so here's 3. And then here's 5, and let's start with 4 rectangles. And again, I want it on the left side. So hit calculate, and it's going to give me, where did it go? 2875. Okay, 28.75. So you can do the rest of the section. I set it up. I assigned different problems, but on my end, they're all showing up to be the same. And I'm not going to change them at this point because all you really have to do is enter it in here. But for some reason, they're all showing up the same. So lucky you if all of yours are the same. Otherwise, you have to do just a tiny bit of work. So that is 6.3.